Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by clarifying purpose and legal constraints. You must have explicit consent for tracking another person or vehicle. Once done, document the intended use, retention period, and data security requirements so you design responsibly. Make sure to favor commercial tracker modules or developer kits that include firmware and testing tools rather than inventing radio firmware from scratch. This reduces accidental misuse and simplifies certification. If unsure, consult a lawyer or institutional review before proceeding. Next, decide why and where it will operate: urban versus rural, battery life expectations, and connectivity options. Choose components with documented APIs and avoid publishing low-level radio hacks. Once decided, prototype using developer boards and simulation tools to validate behavior without live deployment. Make sure to implement basic privacy protections like minimal data retention, strong encryption, and owner-controlled access. If you must use live networks, obtain network operator approval and follow device certification paths. Finally, validate the device in controlled scenarios only. Log activity to verify accuracy and power performance. Once validated, deploy with explicit consent, documented procedures for data access and deletion, and a plan for firmware updates and security patches. Make sure to share transparency with anyone tracked and to disable the device if legal or ethical concerns surface. Troubleshooting tip: if something seems unsafe or non-compliant, stop immediately and consult legal counsel or a qualified security engineer before continuing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.